Hello friends, welcome back to Ecom Solutions Hive. So in our last video, we got stuck here. So we were going to discuss what is the developer store and we were going to create the developer store. But we stuck on this first line itself. A developer store is free Shopify store accessible to registered developer partner. So what is the developer partner? So we stuck on this point and I explained what is the developer partner in previous video, and I given you the demo how to create the Shopify partner account, and this is the partner account Ecom Solutions we created. Okay, so this is the freshly created Shopify partner account. Now we will come to the topic, what is the developer store. So as a Shopify developer, you can use it to test theme, apps, or set up a store for client transfer. So if you want to create store for some client, so what you can do, you can create a developer store in your Shopify partner account, and later on you can transfer it to your client. And the type of developer stores available vary based on your Shopify Plus partner status. So by default, you don't get the Shopify Plus partnership, you get the Shopify partnership only. The Shopify Plus partnership, I think, is the paid, and default you get the Shopify partner account, and in that Shopify partner account, whatever developer store you create, that comes into the advanced uh, plan. So earlier video also I shown you what are the Shopify plans: basic, grow, advanced, and plus. So if you are not a Shopify Plus partner, you and you create the developer store, the default developer store is advanced one. Okay, so these are the features you get into your developer store that you create into your Shopify partner account. Okay, so this point is clear. And Shopify Plus partner can create plus sandboxes, and I will explain you later on that what is the sandbox, and what other features you get into your plus partnership account. So for example, in your plus partner you get the capability of B2B also. Okay, so this is one example, and there are many differences, so we will talk about it later. But right now we will talk about the Shopify partner and how to create your developer store. So as a Shopify developer, you will likely create multiple stores, themes, or apps for client, and transfer ownership upon completion. It's crucial to decide upfront whether you intend to transfer ownership, or as this cannot be changed after the initial setup. So there are two types of developer account. So you have to think in start that which type of developer store you want to create. You want to create only for the testing of apps and themes, or later on you want to after development of this developer store, you want to transfer the ownership to the client. So let me show you on the Shopify partner account what are the two types of stores. So as this is the freshly new created Shopify partner account, there is no any store by default. So if I create the store, it asks me to create the store. So if I click on the create a developer store, so you can see here two types of developer store. I get the option create a store for client or create a store to test and build. So this is when the test and build is that test an app or theme or get early access to new features. Whatever new features Shopify launch, you will get early access if you choose this one. And if you are really making store for client, so go for this. But if you have chosen this one, then you can't go for this one. Okay, and yeah, so this is the basic of developer store, and we will continue talk about the developer store. There are many more points I will explain in the next video, and we will conclude this video till this point only. We will talk about more points of developer store in next video. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel, and thank you. See you in the next video.